Hello friends out there on the internet, Jestro here, July 16th, 2014. I received a package in the mail from Analog Haven. It's a Make Noise product, my second Make Noise module. And what could it be? It is the Make Noise ModDemix. Oh yeah! Let's plug this bad boy in. Hook it up. Okay, so we got the ModDemix. Just running both like these two different waveforms from the STO into input 1 and then input 2. And the ModDemix is just a ring modulator. So yeah, I've got these two things coming in, and like you hear, two different sounds because the way that the outputs work are differently. And I don't have the manual in front of me right now, so I'm not sure what all these ports do, but they do different things depending on, you know, what's put in them and stuff. So I'll have to get some more sound producing modules, and then we can really hear what this bad boy can do. But for now, this is just doubling as my mixer. It's just a 2-channel mixer right now. Going into my Yamaha, going out to my amp. Alright everybody, that's what I did today.